Good day everyone. So, my name is Prince Chelsea Morot and I am here to introduce you the parts and functions of F300 manual transmission van. The first is bumper. So, the purpose is to protect the minor impact. And the second is the headlight. So, as you can see, this is the purpose of to have visibility, especially in the dark. So, as you can see, this is the signal lights. So, the purpose is you have the direction to turn left and right. So this is the windshield and this is the wiper. So this is the wiper. The wiper, the purpose of it is to clean the windshield, especially in a rainy day. So in the windshield, this protect the driver and the passenger in the wind. So this is the side door. The purpose is to access the passenger and the driver to go inside like this. Close. And also this is the side mirror to see the drivers, the side of the car and the back of the car. So this is the rear door. The purpose is to access the cargo and the passenger. And also this is the lights of plate number, and also this is the plate number. So the orange indicates the signal light, and the red one is the brake light, and the last one is the reverse. So as you can see, this is the clutch and also this is the brake. So the purpose of the brake is to stop or to reduce speed of the car, and also this the accelerator. So the purpose is to move the car. This is the horn. The purpose is to alert, especially on overtaking. And this is the mirror. The purpose is to see the driver who is in the back or what is in the back. So this is the steering wheel. The purpose is to control the direction to left or right. And this is the gear shift. So the purpose is to change gear. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the reverse. So this is the handbrake. The purpose is to not move the vehicle while parking.